Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so we're live a little early, live before the market actually opens. So I'm gonna get in here and yeah, I had ChatGPT write me a morning market report, and we're gonna read it, see what it entails. So equities and futures. U.S. stock futures were a week ahead of open. Dow Jones futures slipped. That's not important. Okay, commodities. Gold rallied to an all-time high. Let's take a quick look at that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, gold. Oh yes, yes. Gold rallied to an all-time high. Still keeps pumping. All right. Oil, heating oil. Heating oil and top of the morning. Just reading this morning report. What's Janie, top of the morning. You said QQQ squad. Oh dang, I just changed your chart. Oh no. Here, let's see. I'm just trying to see what's popping. Any of y'all expecting any weather this weekend? Just out of curiosity. Oh, Osama. Hey, good morning from downtown Dallas. Hey, stay safe this weekend, family. Yeah, I'm out here too. I'm not downtown. I'm probably like 40 minutes out from you, but it's gonna be wild. All right, hold on. Getting back to the data. Many U.S. economic reports were delayed because of a federal government shutdown. Upcoming releases: S&P Global flash PMI this morning at 15 minutes in the market. Double check that. Yeah, we get flash PMI 15 minutes in the market open. We got consumer sentiment. GD top of the morning. -30 where I'm in right now. Where are you? Oh, you're in Minnesota. Dang. You still have your you still have power? Hey, shout out. They're expecting us to lose power in Texas, and this we're nothing like that. Hey, shout out to you. You're a trooper there in Minnesota. Uh, yeah. Plus, yeah, we're supposed to get ice overnight. It's going to turn to snow, and then it's going to ice. It's like raining right now. It's not even that cold here. New York, 6 to 12 inches. Oh, that's wild. That's wild. You say, yeah, we're built for this, bro. I got a bro that's from. No, it's not. He's not from Minnesota. It's from he's from Mississippi. Not Mississippi. That's completely different. Mississippi is warm. He's from Missouri. There we go. All right, let's get back to it. Traders can expect. Okay, here's some news. Okay, Intel Q4 beat revenue expectations. However, the company guided uh, below what was expected. Booz Allen Hamilton. I'm not familiar with that. Schlumberger, Capital One. Okay, Amazon. Amazon reports suggest Amazon plans to cut about 30,000 corporate jobs. Okay, that's some news right there. Across AWS, retail, Prime Video, and human resources units, the cuts follow a reduction of 14,000 positions last October. And the CEO said they will stem from cultural and bureaucratic bloat rather than financial stress. Okay. See the next one. Oil and energy stocks. Crude oil prices rebounded on Trump's renewed Iran rhetoric. Okay, boosting energy shares. However, large U.S. stock builds volatile geopolitics may continue to swing prices. Airlines and travel. A major winter storm caused airlines to cancel nearly 2,000 flights, particularly at Dallas Fort Worth and Dallas Love Field. Yeah, it's too late to get out. That's why Ted Cruz was, flying out of here. American Airlines, Southwest were among the hardest hit, which may pressure airline stocks as investors assess. Here, let's see. Let's see what AAL is looking like this morning. They are down. Doesn't look like anything too crazy. What was the other one? Said Southwest. Oh yeah, that's a oh, nothing out of the norm. Could come down more though. All right, let's see what else we got going here. Big Tech and Magnificent Seven. Apple partnered with Google to announce, its AI model for Apple Intelligence features and is planning to transform Siri into an advanced AI assistant. All right. Tesla CEO Elon Musk predicted robo-taxis will be widespread in the US before 2027, testing driverless vehicles in Austin. However, Tesla is under Justice Department investigation over its range claims and saw Cybertruck sales plunge 50%. Okay. I thought it was talking about the range. Plunge 50%. Let's see. Google ordered to face consumer antitrust lawsuit over its search dominance under EU scrutiny. Microsoft, hold up, we need to look at Microsoft. Microsoft is like that's down. That's like down. Oh, it's already doing all right from that level that I was talking about it hitting a few days ago. Oh yeah, that could be something. Wait, it might have been on a daily though. I don't know why I have this level singled out. Oh, yeah, there's a wick there, but there could be more. We'll wait on that one. Okay, yeah. Leave that to do whatever it does. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. So Microsoft suffered widespread Microsoft 365 and Outlook outages, prompting emergency fixes for authentication and security flaws across Windows and Azure. The company is also advancing its AI initiatives by partnering with Bristol Myers Squibb to develop AI-driven lung cancer detection tool. Interesting. NVIDIA reported and financial service clients are doubling their AI investment amid strong. Okay. Didn't we already see Amazon? Oh no, I guess not. Oh, I guess earlier, yeah. Amazon, its one medical unit launched a AI health assistant, and the company introduced AI glasses grants. Interesting. Meta Platforms introduced grants to support societal uses of its AI glasses technology. Okay. All right, watch list for today. Pre-market trading, Intel. Here, let's take a quick look. It gave me a watch list. I already have my own. Let's see what Intel is looking like. Oh, okay. So Intel, yeah, we did get a little droppy drop. Let's real quick check the market structure. Pre-market range. Pre-market high is going to be right here. Pre-market low. All right, this is probably the first thing that's been of interest to me. Okay, yeah, we still got time. I'm chilling. We're just yeah, we're here early. I'm not usually like here just this early. I might get in like maybe like 15 minutes or so early. But looking at it right now, this could end up still being a kind of negative range. Let's check it on the 1 hour. Okay, it's at the 200 on the 1 hour. Looking at this range, all right, so there's going to be a little resistance up here at this, I guess, kind of 5043 level, which also looks like it lines up with the 48 EMA. So I'm gonna just add an alert there. Should Intel cross that, that'll bring it to my attention to let me know, hey, let's look at Intel and see, is it going to reject here or is it going to keep coming back down? We'll see. But it may have ran a little bit too much. Here, let me make sure there's nothing in this area. And then we also have pre-market support too down here. Let me add an alert there. That might be something to play a break to the downside too, should that happen. All right, let's see. Album or Marley? Marl? Yeah, let me see. I'm not even really familiar with that one. Albi. Lithium Americas, SQM. What's SQM? This isn't doing anything. Leave that alone. After Trump rescinds, okay. Trump abandoning the China and Europe tariff overhang, government shutdown, the delayed key. Okay. Any hints ahead of next week's policy could sway rates and tech multiples. Winter storm impacts on heating and oil. Earnings ahead. Oh, I guess that's it. Okay. All right. Now, yeah, we'll just hone in, see how things are looking on the chart. So, one thing I was looking for, like looking at the SPY, I was looking for it to, I think, if the SPY stays where it's at right now, or even if it comes in, like, I don't know, taps this level, I'm gonna probably go for a cheap zero DTE call. And it'll be like right at open because hey, what's up, Gato? How's it been? How's it been? It's been a minute. I ain't seen that name in a while. But yeah, I'd probably go for it. Cheap, cheap little call. But this is six. Oh, I can turn this off. Hey, God bless you too, family. All is well. Should have an interesting weekend. Maybe coming into next week, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Monica, top of the morning. Happy Friday. Blessed Friday. Um, is SoFi good for long term? Uh, in my opinion, not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but I like SoFi for a long term hold. It can pull back more short term, but it also, I think, on the year, I think it'll close out the year a lot higher than it is right now. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if this is 50 at the end of the year, but also it can still come lower. So I think it's great, a great one to add to the long term. It's just right now the range on it for the morning is kind of a little tight. I don't know what's going on with that. Honestly, the only here, let me switch this back to the cues. Honestly, the only thing here, let me actually check my trade real quick, see what I got available. I actually think I need to wait the first 15 minutes and see what's up with the was it PMI? Dang. Hey, my portfolio broke to a new stratosphere last night. I didn't even realize it. It doesn't even look like the market's up that great. Oh, it's AMD. Okay, I was like, yo, I'm up like 92% on my AMD shares. I was like, wow, I have never seen my portfolio at that number. Every top of the morning. Let's see. M-Sense break even, please. Otherwise, I chose wrong holding overnight. I'm looking, I think I'm possibly looking to go for like a cheap. Like we'll see if I do. I'm not sure I want to waste a day trade. Let me see. Let me see what I have in the tank in the chamber. Oh, that's the wrong account. Why does it always do that? Come on, Robinhood. I do have one in the tank, but let me go check Weeble real quick. Or Moomoo. Oh, I'm up on those shares we picked up yesterday. I didn't even, I'm up 22%. I forgot about them. Hey, let's check the chart real quick. What was it? ASTI. Let's see if we can come down to a lower time frame. I think we got it. We got in over here. Oh, they got up to like 8 something. Let's expand that a little bit. Let's see if we can actually see it now. All right, that's cool. Yeah, I got like 5 of those yesterday. Okay, let's. Hey, yeah, Henry, bro. I don't have like any options or anything, but AMD is, yo, that is actually, why have I not pulled that chart up? It's like I saw it up in my portfolio, but I have not pulled up that chart. This, bro, the pre-market range alone, that's insanity. What's this look like on a 1 hour? Ooh, hold up. This is great range here. Let's look at it on the week. I may have set those wrong. Oh, Google. Just doing a little something. M-Sense up 23%. Hey, it's about the same for me. Bro, yeah, silver and gold. They keep blasting off. They keep blasting off. So yeah. AMD. Wait, when is AMD's earnings real quick? I think it's not next week, is it? So February 3rd, what's next week? Okay, that's not next week, so there might still be, I don't know, could still like run up and um I know Tesla and Meta have earnings next week, so I wouldn't be grabbing next week contracts. It would be like I'm grabbing I would have to grab what's the word? Instead of next week, I'd have to grab a zero DTE if I was actually convicted on taking one of those trades today. But yeah, we got PMI 15 minutes in the market open. We'll definitely have to see what's up with that. Oh, I'm up like 26% on those shares. Hey, shout out to Lucky J. Not here yet, but yeah, got my portfolio moving up a little bit. All right, Tesla's still trying to pull back a little bit. Oh, Tesla still like doing some pulling back right now. It's trying to pull on back, keep pulling back. I wish I could. I wish the market were open so I could like just see what's going on over here on the side. I gotta like actually flip through to see what's going on. Ooh, hold up. Looks like Coinbase below a little trend line or below this channel. Oh, it doesn't mean anything yet. Darren, what's good, family? Been a minute. Been a minute. Let's see. Bro, let me pull ASCII back up. I'm trying to watch. Ooh, oh, okay. You said where you said where I think in call so I was looking at a call, but it would if I take a call on the spy, like it was like at open, because it looks like this down here should send it up, but I think it would be quick. I was thinking about it, and it's like the more I thought about it, I realized like say you get something right at open, like if you buy contracts right at open, sometimes their premium is still like it's still fighting to find what their true price is. Like some people are still putting in yesterday's prices and it hasn't accounted for like, oh yeah, theta should be dropped. So I'm not gonna rush into that. I'm gonna sit and I'm gonna wait for the data in 15 minutes and oh it's like in 20 minutes now, but I'm gonna wait for the data to kind of see how things play out. Bro, Darren, you've been trading silver? It's been going crazy lately. Bro, we need Lucky J to come through. Bro, I should have bought more of those trade or more of those shares yesterday. It's up 27%. I'm like, man, okay. I'm like, yo, give me another one. I might have to make that like a little penny stock account or something. I don't think I have an account that's like just for penny stocks. Trying to build it up. BYB's not when I was looking at, but it's above its 200. just for the record, bro, the volume on. Oh wait, okay. This is yesterday's volume. I was about to say the volume on ASCII or Ascent Solar. I was like, that's insane, but that's from yesterday. I think that's when Elon Musk was talking about solar. Hey, what's up, Steelers 43? Once silver hits 100, also all my physical silver been buying since 20. Hey, get it, family, get it. Only thing about like SLV price and like actual physical silver is SLV is like a lot more inflated. So I'm sure real silver will actually be up, but oh D Scurv top of the morning, and congrats on Tesla. I think I was at I don't know what I was doing. My days are starting to run together. I know I was busy doing something, and I think I was at the store. I'm not sure, but no, I don't think I was. I don't know what I was doing, but congrats on Tesla. I had looked at it, and yo, it was popping off. I was like, yo, good stuff, good stuff. Congrats on that, cause yeah, that pop right there, yeah, that was a good little pop. All right, Spy trying to come up a little bit. Blousing. Hey, top of the morning, top of the morning. Oh, shoot, we're about to be live in a minute. Okay. Shoot, let's come down to the 15, or at least on the indexes. Okay, so we're down on the SPY. Zoom in on the Qs. Um, shoot, let's take Tesla. And we don't need to be like so close on the cent. But let's see. We'll throw Meta over here for now. Meta, and then we'll take a look at let's throw AMD here. All right, so market's open. We're live. We got that data in 15 minutes. AMD is already kind of starting the morning pushing for it, and we are kind of starting off going up. Up we're going. All right, so yeah, cash open. My issue top in the morning. Yeah, we got Tesla right here. We got it right here. We'll see what's going on. I got the little pre-market levels. We'll see if we break anything. These guys said thanks Tesla on my radar again today. Another run to 500. Hey, we might have to get in on that. Hold up, I just got an alert on Shopify. Hold up, AMD is crossing it here. We're gonna swap the queues for Shopify real quick. Let me see. Yo, Shopify trying to pull back. Let me do some. All right, so we're here at this level. I want to see kind of how it does here, but there is another more critical level over here that's a little bit more obvious. But this level right here is something too. It's already oversold, but if it wants to keep going, we'll take that too. Hold up, I just got an alert on IWM as well, bro. There's like no chill. I don't even know what to pull up. Oh, let me see what's popping with IWM real quick. Come on, top of the morning. Okay, IWM. Okay, filled in the gap from yesterday. Hold up, is that bullish? Oh, hold up. It's coming to its 13 EMA on the 4 hour with that kind of strength. Hold up. Oh, I'm up. I don't know if Lucky J's here. I'm up like 36% on those shares from yesterday. Uh, well, I kind of, I think I like this IW1. Let me see what it looks like. Oh, I got something over here too, but it's like non-existent on the floor. Let me throw an alert on that. Let's see. I like Adobe also, but spread. Oh yeah, Adobe's that's one I just pick up shares on. The spreads on Adobe are incredibly nasty. I think the spreads on Shopify are nasty too. Now that I think about it, oh Shopify's going for it though. Hold up. When's their earnings? Their earnings is February 18th. Yo, I might have to swing. Oh, I just have my bro. Too much is going on right now. It's like we have volatility again, but I got an alert on Intel too. I must swap. I'm probably going to end up getting a swing with all the stuff that's setting up right now. I was going to go for a quick day trade or something. If Intel confirms here on the 15, yo, it might be go for a like a put, but yeah. Oh, D Scarf says Intel has a gap down. Yo, it might still go. Yeah, Meta is still trying to do its thing, but I think if Shopify does its thing, I might go for a swing on that. Let me. That's what piques my interest the most. Oh my goodness, bro! AMD is taking my portfolio to the sky right now. My goodness, it's been a while. Or it's then my portfolio has never been here actually. What's today? The 23rd. Oh dang, the spread on these Shopify contracts are mad nasty. This should be a crime. Ooh, where's Shopify's at 133? I'm not sure I can do that. Oh, that's kind of wild. Yeah, I'm not. It's like I like Shopify, but I'm not sure I can do all that. It's like with Shopify, with those spreads, you gotta like play the shares. But this looks like Shopify looks so nice. Hold up, I'm gonna try to look a little more. Steelers fan, spy for me if it can't go over 688. Looking for 686 puts. Oh, we got 10 minutes till data. I'm still like I really like this Shopify. Oh wait, hold up, wrong chart. I really want to. Oh, it's down here. So there's liquidity right here at like 133, but also it could come try to fill the gap. Mm. All right, so I'm gonna leave Shopify alone. Let's throw something else in this place. Ooh, hold up. Meta, hold up. Meta might be at a yeah. Meta's like going towards this little trend line right here. So I forgot I have Meta up to possibly 657. If it runs towards that, that might be that might be a shot at redemption for yesterday for me. So I might wait for that too. Do I drop down to the 5 minute for confirmation? So confirmation for me is on the 15. On the five, nah, honestly, I don't, it's like, yeah, honestly, I don't really spend too much time on the time frames that low anymore. I think there's a point in time I would, but like if I were on the five, I would need to see three candles, which is just one candle on the 15. So now I just look on the 15 for my confirmation. It's like a little bit slower, but also it has a higher probability of success. So that's kind of why over time I've kind of moved that way. I just know I'm gonna end up looking at Shopify and be like, yo, why didn't I do that? But then I'm also gonna remember, oh, the premiums were absolutely out of this world. So, oh, hold on, let me see what SoFi is doing. Okay, nothing for me right now. 7 minutes till data. Let me check the dollar real quick. It's up a little bit on the day. Nothing crazy. VIX is up a little bit. Apple, here, let's move. See what Apple's looking like. Okay, Apple, you said it's IN 236. So Apple came down, came up. Yeah, it's still going, heading down. It has its earnings coming. Oh, it's at the 200 daily right now. We already kind of made our move over here. So yeah, Apple could like, yeah, probably shoot. It could be making its way to 226. That's not like a short move though. That's not like something that's gonna happen quick enough for me to get something on it with the balance I have. Like yesterday was the looks like the point where I wanted to get the short. Meta looks like it might be go for a short, kind of. But I also kind of don't want to. Let me check it out on the 15. I'm gonna watch Meta on the lower time frame while being aware. All right, so we got Spy coming to check support. We got also have like a little liquidity at 686.92. Could be trying to take that. But yeah, Apple does look like it's trying to come on down. Yeah, Intel's like kind of chilling right now. I might be down to play like a breakout on Intel today too. It's like I might be able to go small on like something that's cheaper for a possible day trade today, and then it looks like we could have some possible opportunities for swings. Let me see what's going on with IWM and watch that on the 15 as well for confirmation. Because that's definitely a contender as well. We just got a gap fill on IWM. Honestly, I'm kind of feeling like IWM is like it might be a move up, but I'm also trying to hold out for this data. Ooh, hold up. But yeah, IWM trying to come up. He said something happened. The Q just spiked. Okay, so we got data in 2 minutes. Spiked in what way? Caught a 40% gain on point. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm trying to see what's going to go on. Oh, I'm like looking and leaning towards the IWM, but I don't know. See if we got like a trend or anything. No, that's not really. Let's do this. There we go. All right, so data should be coming in. See if we get any kind of volume. We got a new candle. Let's see. So little slightly below expectations. We got the SPY pushing up a little bit. Kind of like nothing much is going on right now. We got Meta trying to come back up. AMD buy order triggered on the call. Hey, no help here. Ooh, oh, hold up. AMD is popping though. It is popping. Hold up. Let's look at that. Okay. Oh, okay. So we got like a little break and retest on AMD. Hold on. So here's what I'm gonna do. Let me see if I can do it. It's like it's giving us a little breaking retest action, but hold on. We still this candle's still new now that I'm thinking about it. Oh, it might still be might still be coming down. Spy rejecting that. Yeah, actually, yeah. You might have your calls for puts on spy. It's like I want to see it break the level because right now we are bouncing between kind of this. Here, let's see. We're bouncing between like I say about like 688.75 and about 687.24. I would like to know that there is more range involved before I get in something. You said more data in 15 minutes. Google reacting. Here, let me see. Oh yeah, it kind of like spiked up. Uh, spy rejecting that 680. Okay. Apple still tracking 236. Yeah, I'm trying to see if they'll give us anything here. Intel also starting to tease the idea of a potential breakdown. We'll see. Yo, I'm having to stop myself. I 100% almost made a trade almost like just like on a feeling. No. I was about to grab a little short on AMD, but I really don't have certainty in that move. I'm just that's like, oh yeah, I feel like it's like there that is a top heavy candle though. But AMD has no history up here, so I it's like me doing anything right now. That's playing feeling. I like to trade with the trend. That'd be trading against the trend, and we don't have any history, so I shouldn't do that. Do I ever use a bar chart? No. That's like recently just like started using these hike and ashes, but it's like I try not to be the jack of all trades. It's like I kind of already feel like I know too much. I try to like hone it in. You said, all right, I'm out. Take care. Hope hey, peace out, Steelers. Yeah, I hope everyone has a good Friday. If you are anywhere where the weather is getting wild, so stay safe, family. Stay safe. Yeah, we got more data in like 9 minutes. I think we get consumer sentiment. All right, so Meta is running up. So Meta, we do have a trend line here on Meta. I would love to see Meta actually come touch 656. If it does that, I'll probably grab a short, like just for the day, a short for the day, if it comes up there today, because I don't think it would spend much time above that. But also, I would not spend more than $100 on it. You said, yeah, Wyoming already feeling like -6. Somebody said they're in Minnesota. Was it Minnesota? And they said -30 already this morning. All right. Oh, AMD. AMD is is catching some more volume. Or I'm not. I said more volume. It's catching a bid a little bit. So we got IWM coming down. We got Intel selling off. See if we can come back and retest. We still want to close out this candle. Chicago with wind chill -30. Oh yeah, I only are we talking Fahrenheit? Cause that's That's insanity. Tesla day trade entry. I don't even think when I've gone like skiing, snowboarding on like the worst days in the mountains, I don't think I felt -30 wind chill. Tesla day trade entry appeared to be 444. Bro, what is this creature? Oh, Palantir looking to recover too. I'm seeing like the push pull right now. We're going, bro. We might have an entry on the what is it? The IWM as well. Like, let me extend this a little bit. It's at the 200 right now, so that's a solid level too. But if it came down here, that would be something too. All right. Oh, Meta trying to go for it. Hold up. There I got trigger happy and jumped in a yellow Nvidia call. It's gonna be what is. Hey, hopefully, hey, hope it goes up, man. All right. AMD was doing too much. Got out green. Hey, $9 is $9. All right. So I am looking. I'm thinking IWM could possibly recover here, but I'm looking at what is this, Meta? Honestly, my Meta is looking decent. But let's see. Let's see if it can go there, because Meta is like, if we back out, zoom out on Meta, it's either about to break out on this trend line, like this trend. If it breaks, I would expect it to at least keep going to 675. Maybe not today, but it could do that. But I would like to see it come up to this about 657. That's where I would look to get a short. And I'd be pretty chill, like seeing the conclusion of what happens today. Grab me a zero DTE for $100. And I feel like I can get profit out of this at some point if it comes there. I think that's an extreme enough buy, because I don't think it's going to squeeze all the way up to 665. This one right here is pretty clear and strong. And when you throw in the fact that it's at a trend line right now, this trend line could be it. But if it comes here, it's just obvious. All right, so AMD trying to hold out. But yeah, SPY still just chilling in that area. Tesla on the 15 looks better for calls. Here, let's see. Um, yeah, we'll swap it out with the AMD. I'm not going to do anything with AMD. So Tesla is still. It would have been at that four, or I guess the area you called it at was really good, but the support. Let's see if they can like push past their resistance at like 452. That'd be nice. Oh, come on, Meta. Give us like another $1.50. I know you got it in you. I know you got it in you. Look at IWM off the bottom a little bit. Still got Intel coming down. Trying to see what Meta can do. We got data in 3 minutes. MSIN said zero DT on Meta. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So right now when it comes to I wouldn't risk more than like $100, but I feel like the risk to reward at that spot is like I feel like it's solid. And then also when you look out to next week, you have earnings on Meta, Tesla, uh pretty much like a lot of the big ones. So I'm just going to that's why I would be pushed to a zero DTE, but I'm not betting the farm on it. All right, not Tesla, Meta is like right there where I was talking about getting my entry. Let's see. Bro, it's like right there. Come on. Might need to slide up just a little bit. That's not what I was trying to do. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Okay, I got 11 puts set if it goes to 657.01. I don't know what you were trying to say right there. All right, hold up. Palantir breaking yesterday's high and pre-market high. Oh, I would 100% say that Palantir it wants to come down. So it's I would say Palantir is like it's trying to continue its way down, in my opinion. So right now it's just part of the market structure. Like right now, Palantir is still in a clear downtrend, and it's just yeah, it's not even above the like holding above the 13 EMA. Oh, hold up. All right, Meta trying to do it. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna do it. It's like so close. Yeah, so far. I'm not sure it's gonna happen. Bro, it's like right there. Watch, they're gonna try to lead me and just drop it. But we wait for our entries around here. And if we don't get as good of entries. Oh, come on. Come on. Like, okay, like, oh, come on. What was I about to say? Oh, Spy is we got a little candle above that range. They pushed to a like slightly higher point in the range. All right, alert went off. Let's see if I got in. All right, I picked up two contracts. I picked up 647.50 zero DTEs and I paid 65 cents per no, I paid what did I pay? I think I might here, let me see. I'm down on them though. I paid I paid 61 cents per share and I have two of them. All right, so I'm in right at this line. Let me Oh wait, hold on. Let's come down over here real quick. Let me just chart my entry. I'm in right here. We'll see what we can do. Take that stress out a little bit. Bring that up to like a 15. We'll see kind of what occurs here. I'm gonna change this to meta. All right. Oh, we did get the what is it? We did get the data. All right, let's see. Figure if I can spend 17 and sell at 11, or spend 75 and sell at 11, I can buy 11 and sell at, huh? You're spending 11 if, oh, that's, I hope Meta moves enough to move that. Because it's like when you get contracts that cheap, it's kind of like you need like a huge move, unless it's a stock that doesn't move often and you get a move on that. All right, so now we got okay, let me check that consumer sentiment because we're like kind of, all right, consumer sentiment came in like two above expectation. So that's kind of good. Yeah, we'll have to see right here. I might end up having to close out. We'll see. I'm gonna give it this candle. We'll see what the next candle looks like. I'm holding to my confirmation today because yesterday I stayed a little past my confirmation. Didn't lose it all, but took an L. Same stock too, right? It was meta yesterday, right? But yeah, we got 10 minutes before we know what goes on. I got into a meta zero DTE, and that's why I didn't share it in the WAP. I don't share zero DTEs in the WAP just because it can be too hard to follow. And like sometimes it's like I could get in and then I could find myself getting out right away. And if I get out right away and I don't share it fast enough, that's like sometimes you might be stuck in it and you can't do anything. I do want to say, to the downside, Intel looks like it's trying to confirm to the downside. It looks like it might be coming towards that 44, 24 hour or 25 area to fill that gap. So that's on the table too for anyone who wants to potentially try to look for any moves towards that. You said meta put. Yeah, I grabbed the meta put and the basis on that just so y'all know what I'm looking at and why I'm doing this. Because right now it's like, yo, why would you do that? Um, Basically, right now, what I think is occurring, I think this is going to be a wick on the 4 hour. I think this is going to be a big wick. And here, let me show you. Right now, we are currently pushing above the 200 moving average. So I want to show you that before I turn these off. So let me turn off the EMAs because the chart's a little busy. Clear some of that out. Also have this trend line going down right here. And yeah, we're kind of at that trend line. And then we also have this liquidity. This liquidity is like, yeah, this is solid liquidity at like about 657 or so. So I bought in at 657 and put. I think this is a sweep of liquidity on the 4 hour. And I think right now they're just drawing in liquidity. So that's my take. That's why I took the put on Meta. So it's like I might have to I could also end up holding this if it doesn't push too high. I'm gonna hold this till 11 and kind of just we'll see what kind of comes of it. All right, we still got the Russell pushing down. I'm interested in this level over here, but I'm gonna also just kind of wait, see, let it do its thing. Why do I have this file too? Hold up, let me check that to 15. You said SoFi, I think it's my level on SoFi has changed. Because it hit SoFi like I want to say on like Tuesday. SoFi hit that level, and it has since been moved down. So I think the level was originally like like 25.85. Then it gapped down below it, then it came up, and then it came back down. So that level's been pushed, and now it's like 23.58, and this one's like a bigger deal. You said, yeah, IWM looks bearish. I think there is a decent chance of like some kind of reversal at this 266.83 area. But yeah, it's rolling down right now. And if it confirmed below this area, yeah, it's probably coming back down to like 264. Let me take that back to a 15. Yo, they're trying to buy up Meta. So Meta's up like 1.8. How's AMD looking? AMD's not really getting above that. Here, let me. Oh, AMD. Hold on. Yeah, it's kind of stalling out a little bit. But yeah, Meta is trying to push. But I was like saying, I was like, I don't think it can get to 664, but as soon as it hit this 657, yo, it's already trying to go. So trying to better understand the volume profile. I'm gonna be real. I don't use the volume profile, so I cannot really tell you how to do it. I can only tell you like the stuff I trade with and use. Um, better understand how to use the volume profile. Yeah, I cannot tell you. I can see the volume underneath. Yo, I might end up getting kicked out of Meta. They trying to send it to the moon. Let me see. Yo, it's not even in the top five. Seems like it should be. All right, let's go. Analysis. No, I'm in Meta. I'm in Meta puts. No sound. I'm showing there should be sound. Henry. Oh, I guess if you can't hear me. I would say refresh the page because I'm showing a sound. If you don't hear me, I think that's on oh I don't know. All right, there we go. Little selling pressure on Meta. Still not quite what I'd like to see, but yo, it's some selling pressure. Oh, and this is still the first candle too. Actually, the first 15. That's a big wick, honestly. Push up to 661. All right, we got the Russell almost there. Oh, so you said we can hear you. I think you just hadn't been speaking. Oh, okay. I was like, okay. I was like, yeah. Sometimes I stop, think, and whatnot. Bro, if y'all were my wife, y'all would think I stopped or there was no sound all the time. It's like when I'm just chilling, I don't talk a lot. I'm a listener. That's why I think that's why people like me because they like to talk about myself or talk about themselves. So it's like I listen. Oh, hold on, we're pulling back on IWM. All right, Meta. All right, looking a little better. A little better. I would still like to see it kind of move in my favor, but it's looking a little better. All right, let's see. I like volume profile that middle bar. I'm assuming middle bar is where it turns around and bounces sort of. I found a video a few weeks ago. Hey, y'all might be able to help each other out. All right, so we got that candle closer right there. If this candle lives up here, then I'm out of this meta trade. But if not, no, we're in it to ride. Bro, I feel like I need a snack. Yo, I got a little hold up. Let me think about what I'm about to go get. Oh, what's up, Elijah? Yo, how we doing? Hold up. All right, so IWM is crossing that level. I think we got a good potential entry right here. So yeah, right here, you can either wait and see if it confirms to the downside, but what you have going on is oversold on the 15, and then yeah, this looks like I'm not. I might take a watch list trade, but IWM, I think from here should at least be good to this 28. And then if you have multiple contracts, you can probably go for runners. I'm gonna take a watch list on IWM. Let's see. So IWM, M cent. Oh, okay, that wasn't for me. Well, IWM might still be going down, but I'm gonna get like I'm gonna add like I was buying it for myself. So I would go for January 26th. Probably go for the 268. And it looks like I'm in at 84 cents a share. And to better hone in on where I bought at, it's going to be about right there. Silver, I hear, is moving as we. Yeah, let's see. Silver, bro. Silver going crazy, bro. Doing good. Saw you up. Appreciate that, Elijah. Oh yes, and appreciate your analysis of my analysis. Appreciate that. Oh, I gotta say, hey, be safe this weekend, Elijah. Oh, hope all your properties and whatnot are all good. Yeah. Make sure you got everything in order. Make sure you're okay, bro. Honestly, I want to see how everyone's doing. Like, I want to see like mini vlogs or whatever. Like, yo, how are you weathering this little ice storm? I think that's last time I was in I'm not sure if I was in California or Europe. Last time Texas had ice, I think I was in not California, Colorado. And I had seen what happened to the home I grew up in. I was like, man, that's crazy. And then now, shoot, let's see. All right, so let's see. We got like 10, 11 minutes left on this meta candle. We'll see kind of what goes on. Have a little top side selling pressure. IWM, it might decide, hey, we're gonna sell off some more. It might decide to come to this 264, maybe even 263 level. Let me check meta on the 4 hour real quick, just see how it's looking. I mean, that's anyone's guess right now. Be nice if we can get back to this 657, but we'll see. That's like I feel like it's showing promise right here. Let me turn the EMAs back on. I was like wondering. I was like, yo, it looks kind of naked. Bro, if we can make a move to like the 13 EMA on the 15, I'm cooling with that too. I'm gonna throw an alert on that. That is plenty. Oh, hold up. This candle went black for a second. We wanted to come contact the line. Yo, settle on down, settle on down. Come on, bring it down, bring it down. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, it's trying to show some promise. I wouldn't be mad if Meta just decided to exactly mirror what was going on over here. Said appreciated the food stocked up. Notified my tenants to make sure they drip the faucets. Yeah, I gotta drip my faucets too. And keep heater on to at least 65 degrees. Gotta be prepared. But oh yeah, Um, I gotta remember to turn the heater on at my apartment. So those of y'all that don't know, I just moved here, but I still got I'm paying double rent right now pretty much. I need to turn on the heater in my apartment. But luckily I can do that remotely. But yeah, gotta be prepared. Bro, I'm not sure if we're gonna be streaming next week. They're saying power's gonna go out, so we'll see. All right, Meta trying to pull back. I'm liking the So to those y'all who don't realize, I got the hiking Ashi up here on Meta too. I'm liking that we're starting to see red candles. I would love if we can see the same kind of momentum we had on the green going up. I would love if we can see that red, but it's a good start. Oh, that IWM call. I didn't even pay attention, but it's up 21%. Yeah, that IWM is looking like that was a good level. We'll see if it at least hits that target I was looking at. But yeah, it's up like 25%, $21. Tech override. What's up? You said Apple's climbing back. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, hold up. Is there hold on, let me send my little agent to do some. Yo, where's my chat GPT? I had a tab for it somewhere. Hold up. Oh, no, that is not it. Hold up. Here, let's see, let's see. Uh, Emson said, "Oh, like the name Financial Anatomy, just subscribe." Oh yeah, that's Elijah. Yo, he's Dallas the pace, and he's about his hustles. He has a few YouTube channels. Let's see. You said I recently moved. I didn't move anywhere far. I moved from an apartment to a house that's like 5 minutes away from the apartment. So I'm still in kind of in the area, like 40 minutes outside of Dallas. You said how cold is it for me in Texas? Right now, it's not really cold. Right now it is. Hey, definitely not like Minnesota, but right now it's 46 degrees. Overnight it's supposed to drop to 28 tomorrow. I know that sounds like nothing, right? And then it's Saturday, like Saturday morning, it's supposed to get to 22 Sunday. So like Saturday, Sunday is when it kind of gets bad. And then Monday is supposed to be 9. And then there is nothing over freezing until Tuesday. So that's kind of the situation right there. All right, so the meta we came back into contact with that level, so we're not not getting out yet, not out of the woods yet. Let me check in on this. Okay. Oh, love. Okay, love the name. Okay, Netflix up another 2% today. I'm gonna need Netflix to chill out. Okay, so it's at 85. It's not gone yet, so that's good. Cool. Apple said not so fast. I'm back. I'm gonna need to chill. You said okay. Darren said IWM should retest that low and bounce back to 226 or 266.27 ish. It could, but right now this is a sweep of liquidity from what I have. So it's like I would like to see it push up here, but honestly, from this little drop it had, it could be done. It had this little 30% move. Q's liking life again. I appreciate that, Elijah. Hey, congrats on the new follower. Hey, M Sense and Elijah. Let's get it. So did we get back into I'm still in the meta, but I didn't I got in a different one for a different reason. But yeah, I'm in the meta put right now. Looking at this 4 hour liquidity. We also have this trend line. My basis is I'm under the assumption that this 4 hour candle is going to end up being a big wick similar to this one. So yes, I am in a 4 hour liquidity or I'm in a meta put. It's just a 0 DT though. I didn't want to like risk anything crazy. Um it says, oh Matthew, I was using the paid version of ChatGPT. They gave me a free month. Oh yeah, I use it. I'm probably like I'm looking at switching now. Like I haven't tried Gemini. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to do that. Like I already use Nano Banana. They use Nano Banana. I kind of I like what it's looking like with Google and Apple. And I'm gonna be real. I don't even like what's his name? Sam Altman. Is that the one for OpenAI? I don't even like him. So if Google can win over Google and Apple, I prefer them to have more AI control than Sam Altman because bro, he's gonna let it go crazy. Let's go. You said -6 in Chicago and drop it, bro. Hey, send me a pizza, bro. People keep telling me I gotta go out there and have pizza. I want some pizza. What's up, Sean? Stock trade system and option trade. That looks like keywords, a bunch of keywords right there. E dog, what's up, family? What I miss? Happy Friday. Hey, you be safe too. I'm in the. I guess I'm not in the snow zone until like tomorrow, but I think I'm in for the rest of the day. Uh, okay, so Elijah said, "Do you have any thoughts on how this potential Netflix acquisition of Warner Bros. Could affect the stock?" So right now, it's bringing it down, but I think long term it's going to be a win if they get it. But it's like there's a lot of kind of legal things going on with it right now, so it's like the way that it can affect the stock is um two ways. Long term, they get kind of access to all the Paramount stuff, and they kind of win from that. But a lot of people think that's not going to be able to happen because of like I guess the whole monopolies situation, you know, being too big. But either way, if they're able to block, I forgot who else was trying to buy it. If they're able to like kind of block them off and like hold them off, like them putting this deal off puts it on hold for at least a year. So that allows them time to kind of do some other things and hold them off and like become kind of more of a force to be reckoned with. So it like kind of benefits them either way. So long term, it's gonna go up. It's gonna eventually make new highs. But short term, yeah, we're gonna experience some stress and whatnot. All right, gotta see if Meta is gonna break. Otherwise, it would have been. Hey, yeah, that's what we need to see. That is what we need to see. It's like I'm counting on it coming down. We got another candle. It's looking all right, but yeah, we gotta see. Oh, okay. So you follow him from 3 accounts. Okay, M Sense. Man, if you come out here, I got you on. Hey, appreciate. Oh, you're in Chicago too, Darren. Bro, that's okay. I'm gonna be real. Like the way y'all trade M Sense and Darren, it's been a minute since I've seen your name in here, Darren. I know I haven't been like I guess publicly live, but the way y'all trade and the way y'all kind of talk to me about y'all's trades, y'all is very similar. And y'all are both in Chicago. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe y'all got a Chicago trading style. I don't know. Let's see. The fact that Gemini and Nano are and others are getting chat worried. So Gemini and Nano are kind of together. Nano Banana is for processing images. Gemini uses Nano Banana, but and it's really good because it's like, bro, there have been times I've tried to make YouTube thumbnails like other YouTube thumbnails, and I've taken the time to like go in there, edit, like figure out how to do it. Bro, I legit said, "Hey, do this with my face on it, and maybe change this Nano Banana." Boom. I'm like, yo, that used to take so much time. They're like, there were a couple times it's like, yo, I would pay people to do a thumbnail. And it's like, oh, I can get Nano Banana to do this. and they'll like fix it like right away. Oh, say less. So I can already say Nano Banana has saved me an insane amount of money, and unfortunately taking a lot of money from some people, but also the people who aren't getting that money, they were getting paid a lot. Like they a lot more than what the typical person got paid where they live. D Scurr said I'm in Panama, not Chicago. Oh, hey, D Scurr trying to hey, you're trying to add to the dad jokes. I see. Uh yeah. Oh, also, yo, dad joke of the day. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. Y'all see what's going on there? Hey, bike, two tires. Yep. Okay. All right. That's my thoughts too. Paramount tried to backdoor buy them, but that's not going well. I'm conflicted. The investor in me is excited for me or for it. The consumer in me is dreading the deal. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I would say like I don't know who said it. It might be Confucius. It's like, yo, you can say something is good, you can say something is bad, or you can say something just is. Cause it's like, oh, there's that story of like the dude. I don't even know the story to be exact, but or I can't recite it to be exact, but it's like, oh, something seemingly bad happens in the moment, and they're like, oh, that's unfortunate, and it's like the dude says, I don't know, it's like maybe not, maybe good, maybe bad, just is. And then like later, that thing that was bad kind of disqualified him from like I don't know, or let's say he broke his foot, and like it was like, oh, you broke your foot, whatever. Now they're coming and they're taking people to forcing people to go fight in the army, and it's like, oh, because he broke his foot, now he doesn't have to go fight, and it's like I don't know, it's like, oh wow, he doesn't have to go fight. Oh, how fortunate. And then I don't know, it's like now because he didn't fight, some he missed out on something, and now it's like, oh, it wasn't good, it wasn't bad, it just is. All right, let's see. CBOT, CME, pizza and trading are in our blood. You said trading is in our blood. Yeah, we got both of the Darrens back in there. We got double R and single R. Yo, it's like Ed, and Eddie, but with Darrens, and there's only two of them. All right, let's see. Uh, bro, yeah, Apple is doing this thing. Apple is doing this thing. All right, Meta looks like it could be weakening. Weakening. It's either weakening or it's about to like break up out of oblivion. I don't like the other opposite. The other what is it? The other like, I don't want it to break up out of oblivion or break through oblivion, but that's very well a possibility. But I haven't like we haven't gotten confirmation, so I'm still in that trade. You said, wow, the dad flowed two tires by Q's. Are the Q's taking off? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, the Q's are taking off. Okay. All right, so there's pre-market high. This candle right here is this would be the confirmation candle. Let's see if it holds. My goodness. The Q's went. It said, oh, Blouse and said we going to El Salvador for the hey. Oh yeah, y'all be sure to hey smash the like button, smash the like button. We don't want to go to El Salvador. Uh, back when it was daily, they were public daily. It was it was we used to be like 100 for that, but it's a little different. Meta broke Broke that 659.99 level. I'm waiting for another confirmation candle to watch it really. Hey, I'm waiting for it to watch it drop too. I'm waiting to like it's kind of curling up on the hiking ashy candles. We got them. I would like to see it continue. We're below the 13 unit. That's a good look on the 2 minute, but we want that to occur on higher time frames as well. But here, let's look at this on a let me zoom out to like a 1 hour, see what meta looks like. Oh, that's looking a lot better. Let's look at on a 4 hour. Oh, that's looking okay. So once again, this is the reason I entered because we had this liquidity here, and I'm thinking, oh yeah, we could probably get a push down to like about 650 at least. So I would love to see that if we can move there at any. Oh yes, we're back below that line. Yes. Oh, hold up. All right, so this is like the first time I've been like, I'm probably not green on the trade yet because it's a zero DTE, but from where I entered, this is the first time it's been in a positive position, like the stock in the direction I was trying to move. These curves at number 14, avoiding Alcatraz at all costs. Hold on, let's see. Yeah, we gotta avoid alligator Alcatraz as well. Oh yeah, I'm still down like, yeah, that theta is eating. I'm down like 26% on those contracts. So we need some momentum. Oh, hold up. I was supposed to get Chat GPT to tell me what's going on with Apple. Hold on. Let me see. Wait, where'd it go? Oh, turn on agent mode. Like you said, bro, you got that meta drop. I hope. I mean, it is not fully confirmed yet. It's like it was looking good, but the market likes to tease. Okay, I got my agent on it though. When it comes to the whole Apple situation, let's see. Hey, but I'm liking meta on hiking ashes. But yeah, I got my little agent on it. Yo, I want to take a moment to ask, how does the audio sound right now? Um, once again, I'm just using this is a single webcam. I went from using the microphone to just a single webcam. Like it's not the it has a speaker on it. It's supposed to be like pretty decent, but now it's not right on my throat, so you don't hear me when I'm like swallowing or chewing. A little less ASMR. I know some of y'all like that. Appreciate that. Serico, hey, what's up? Okay, cool. That's all right. Okay, that's the all right. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. All right, so I'm gonna keep this thing. It's like I just kind of got it to test it, see how I felt about it. But yo, I'm gonna keep this. It'll probably be my like when I go to Europe for a month. This will probably be what I take on the road with me. That way I can bring less and still kind of have it. All right, Meta is trying to push up. Yeah, Meta. Hey, Meta might be a little break retest action. We'll see. They're trying to let it consolidate. Well, we're all over today. Let me take a look at these. But yeah, I'm down on these metas. Yeah, I might just be holding these today. So I'm being delusional. Am I being delusional? Can I expect meta to drop while looking forward to spot? It's something that can happen. Yeah. I would also say like look out at resistance on spy, but it's like it can happen. Yeah. It's like if everything else in the spy is going up and meta wants to go down, yeah. But meta going up will definitely help the spy go up a lot easier as well. Palantir up $3 since open, still an overall downtrend, but this could be our pre-earnings push. Been pushed out. It could be. Where's it at? Yeah, we got a lot running right now. All right, so we got another one. Currently, Meta is above the 20 EMA, small retracement, but if this next candle is green, I see it. Yeah, it could. I'm really just like waiting on confirmation. Like if this candle right here confirms and does not come into contract with this line, hey, that's it. But if it does, hey, I'm still chilling. I'm just trying to trade my strategy. It's like it usually leads to more winning than losing. But I think one thing that wasn't beneficial is the amount of time I got on the contract though. Like there would be a much higher level of comfort, but we here chilling. All right, let me see. Is it meta? There should be a wall at 660 anyway. Market's not moving as much of a unit like it's been though. Here, 1 second. Said I'm there with you, coach. Hey, So that's something that makes me a little nervous. It's like I feel like you're here. I feel like the ones that I've taken like on the public streams, or at least the last 2 days, have been kind of trash. But I've been like taking dubs like to start off, or at least start the year off. We're off to like a strong start this year. Okay, hold up. Just got the report in about Apple. All right, so Apple stock closed. Okay, hold up. Main forces likely driving the shares: the AI partnership with Google and Siri revamp, Siri update timing, and oh, hold up. Oh, my Siri activated. Um, Update timing and leadership changes, upcoming earnings and iPhone demand, product pipeline. Honestly, this is probably the run up into their earnings as well. Honestly, services growth and financial analyst sentiment and valuation. Okay, Apple shares have been range bound around the mid 240s. The main near term catalysts are March season. What's it? What's the name? The assistant and the phone upgrade, and then the upcoming earnings report and signs of robust iPhone and services growth. Longer term drivers include full chat book. Hold up, I got an alert. Oh, okay. SPY is at pre-market resistance. So from here, it could either see some selling pressure, could push a little higher. Let's see if we get any confirmation on this. Got 10 minutes on this candle. Let's see what happens. But let's see. Potential foldable iPhone launch, continued services expansion, and execution of the Google partnership. Investors should also watch for updates on the class action suits and the effect of high component costs on margins. Whoa. Ex Olympic snowboarder accused of being a drug kingpin got arrested. That's kind of wild. El Jefe. Okay. All right. So Spy seeing a little selling pressure from that area. Just a little bit. Oh, it might have a little double top down here on the lower time frame on Meta. Just right here. Let's see. Let's see. Five. See the 10. Yeah, we'll see what comes of it. Hold up. All right, it's trying to push on up. Hey, we may as well come touch the top, move it down so we can drop. Come on, bro. Apple is insanity. Let me check it. Dang, yeah, Palantir doing this thing too. Yeah, we're just honestly we're kind of ripping up. Meta tested at 657 and didn't like it. Hey, that is looking like what's going on. And then from here, yeah, it could be off. Let me see what the wall is looking like. The wall of options, or what the option volume is looking like. 36,000 calls at the 660 strike on Meta. Honestly, there's not a crazy amount of puts. Yo, I'm gonna do something I hadn't done in a long time. I'm curious if it's still like a thing. I'm gonna go to Weeble and see what people are saying in the comment section. Hmm. I actually see some interesting analysis. All right. Okay. I see. Yeah, I see stuff like looking. Wait, hold up. Oh no, that's from. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, we stick with it. Tesla breaking high of day, Palantir, all one looking like. Hey, Patrick, what's up, family? Hope all is well. Oh, Apple's about to cross into the 200. Bro, we just started ripping out of nowhere. Took my trade too early. Yeah, it's looking like I might get confirmed out, unfortunately. You said Weeble comment? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I was just curious because I had looked I saw him on Moomoo and I was like, oh, what do they look like on Weeble? And I was like, oh, because I remember that's like the place you didn't want to be on Moo or on Weeble because it's like I don't know, you would see like the wildest stuff that will make you believe some stuff that is wasn't gonna happen was gonna happen. All right, so we got 2 minutes till confirmation. So unless we get some kind of like violent drop, yeah, quick violent drop on Meta. Yo, I'm about to head on out. Then from there, that's like all I would do. Only thing I could do is do swings. Are catching a little resistance on the SPY up here, from what it seems on the 15. But yeah, Meta's just not giving me the pace. So that's a failed trade. I think. I think that's 2 days in a row. That hurts my in a sense. I don't say my confidence, but it's gonna be all right. Still got to see it through. I'm gonna check in on that IWM, see how it's doing. Check on my watch list trade, see how that went. Oh, it's break even, I think. Was that today? Yeah, it's in that break even. All right. So yeah, I'm about to close. I'm closing out of this meta as we speak. All right. So I'm out at 15 cents a share. It sold me out at the lower price, but yeah, I'm out of meta. Took the L. So there's that. It's 10 o'clock. All right. Let me. Hold up. Okay. Tesla face rip in the last 2 days. Buy pound here been pushed down for two. Oh, wait. What? I already read that. All right. So now let's see how the spy does here. That's where my eyes go now. I'm gonna switch this to the spy. I'm gonna switch meta to IWM. I don't want to look at it right now. Where is it at? Should be up here. Yeah, the market makers are burning these positions with nothing going in. I mean, we got stuff pushing up. But they definitely got people. It's like Apple doesn't look like it necessarily even came into anything. You got Palantir taking off, and you got the Qs. This looks like just utter insanity, like the way it's taking off. It's kind of like it pulled. Nah, you can't even say like, oh yeah, it hit the 13 EMA and took off. It just going crazy. Hey, top of the morning, Lucky J. Yo, happy Friday. I was up almost 40% on the ASTI earlier today. I don't know how I'm doing right now, but yo, I was up. So yo, appreciate that. Let me check real quick. I'm up like 15% on it right now. But I was up almost 40 earlier today. Would say meta is mean, but it's in the long term, so yeah, let it go ahead and fly. Yeah, I'm cool with meta going up too, because it's also in my long term. It just looked like it was look nice for zero DTE. Oh, you said Amazon flying too? Yeah, we might just be running up into hold up. Where's Amazon? Oh yeah, it is taking off. Bro, yeah, we're trying to run. So top of the range is gonna be like 694. It might be on the table. I was like, honestly, we're trending pretty strong. Shoot, I want to reevaluate Netflix now. Intel, Netflix, everything else is about to have earnings. I think Apple actually might be a good I think they could fly. On the cool, what Apple's earnings is next Wednesday. I think I'm gonna grab or actually let me look at it first. Options. So I think they have their earnings on like the 28th. All right, so I just grabbed an Apple 267.50 call that expires on February 7th, I think. I want to say it expires in February. I know that. Not maybe not the 7th. Let me see. February 6th. Let me share that real quick. I got it for like 98 per share because I like where Apple is, and I think it could do some things like because if you look on the weekly, this is a great weekly level right here, and then we have earnings coming up, so I think there's really good potential, and it's like just kind of my sentiment, my views, and everything. I think it's a really good opportunity. I think it's going to take something really big. Like Trump's going to have to do something again for Apple to fall. So that's kind of my take on Apple. Just grabbed an AAPL 267.5 call expiring 2/6 paid 0.98 per share. Oh, MU going crazy again, bro. MU, was it this week or last week that I traded MU? I think it was this week. I think Colin called it out. Where is? Oh, it's right here. Yo, if we would have held the call, it'd be in the money. I think we got like a 400 when it was at like. I think we got it on this dip and like roll it. No, no, I think we got it like. I don't even know. It might have been this dip. No, no, we got it over here. That Tuesday? Yeah, yeah, we got it on Tuesday back here, and then rolled it to about like 380. So yeah, that thing would have been very in the money. I need two more stocks to add to my Cash App portfolio. I got Meta, XLF, thinking LMT and DTR or DraftKings. I personally, I don't know, the ones that I'm picking up right now. Let me see. So my daily pickups are I got a daily buy on Adobe, Amazon, I think Nike. I think yeah, Nike, uh, TTD, Meta, and Lucid. Lucid is my kind of that's my kind of wild horse right now. That's my big my speculation. I don't think anybody is well, I wouldn't say Lucid really has credibility right now. I like that they're getting the Saudi money right now though. So it's like this the Saudis are like, yo, we will throw however much money we need to make this company succeed. So I like why they have that, even though the price keeps going down. But yeah, that one could be a long time coming. But yeah, I'm in on Apple now. It's right here at this shit, I'm gonna just draw where it goes. So wait, Apple's earnings is on wait, today's the 23rd, so their earnings is on 28th. Okay. So there's an opportunity to make it like that Amazon call I had for earnings that went crazy. Because honestly, Apple right now kind of reminds me of Amazon for that the one that ran like $50, but it took like probably like 2 weeks. So I'll say there's some potential there. Oh, hold up. I got something I wanted to try on my desk. I didn't even realize this is a perfect opportunity. Hold on. Yeah, we kind of slowed down. I'm done. I'm done trading for the day. I don't think we're gonna get too much action from here. Hold on, I'm about to set my desk up. All right, I didn't even have to do all that. Okay, let's see. So spy on the 15. Just close that out. Didn't confirm. I wouldn't say it's like overly bearish or bullish. That candle, it's just a candle. Didn't really give us anything. Well, I kind of want to pull Meta back up, just just to see how it's doing. We still got like what 44 minutes on this candle. He said, "Let me catch up," but I like Lucid as well. It's the luxury of the electric. It is. So I went to a Lucid store like might have been like 2 or 3 weeks ago. That was my first time actually getting the Lucid cars and actually like kind of feeling and experiencing them. And I would say like or no, one thing I liked was the newer one, the Lucid. I think it's called the Gravity. They look like they finally came to their senses and decided to use the Tesla charge port. So the most popular one, the Lucid Air or whatever, it doesn't it oh they don't have like a proprietary oh it uses something different. But I feel like the Tesla is like the most relevant. I know you can like buy adapters and whatnot, but oh dang, I mean Meta. Let me see. Now with Meta, I'm just looking at I'm just looking at it for like future reference now. What's wild is one thing I was like, one area I was targeting is the 13 EMA. The 13 EMA has moved up to like almost 655 now. Spy might keep moving up though. Oh no, yeah, Meta said it's not done. Tesla at 450. Bro, what's the craziest thing on the day? Oh, Microsoft, hold up. That's something right there. That's one I was looking at this morning. It looks like it took off. Hold up. Bro, they really be waiting till like I was legit. We looked at that this morning. Bro, bro, Microsoft went crazy. How come they all said anything to me about Microsoft? We were legit like looking at this pre-market. It's been straight up. See, they like to wait till nobody's looking at it. Wow. That was the trade. Oh, even if we took it when they passed this 455, oh my goodness. Move one said QQQ slowed down. Bro, I think this is what QQQ was. Let's bro, look, this is insane. Like how am I that's bro, yeah. Yeah. Wow. That's what was doing it. Oh my wow. That don't even make sense. How did that slip under the radar? That is wow. You said you're correct. Plenty were moving, namely Microsoft, Amazon. I made the cardinal mistake of jumping the first thing I saw. This is wow. Yeah, Meta's moving. Yeah, they say, hey, what are people not paying that much attention to? Yeah, Microsoft up 3.6. And like most of it happens after the market open, after market open. That's insanity. All right, let's see if there's anything else I missed. Red wires up 9%. That's not like crazy notable. Yeah, Microsoft is looking like they were the ones. Microsoft on pace for largest percent increase since July 2025. Of course it is. You said don't forget Meta has that gap to Meta also has a gap to the downside to fill, but yeah, Meta thing about Meta is I'm buying Meta every day. I'm in it, so it's cool. Like if Meta does anything, if Meta wants to go fill the gap, that's chill. I actually prefer that it keeps coming down. Like I truly prefer that. That way I can continue to keep buying it up. But it's Meta can go anywhere. Yeah, we got daily gap to about 750. We got a daily gap to about 557. Daily gap to about 507. Even more insane daily gap to like 403. Yo, Meta has some we we need Zuck to start talking like Elon in his crazy days, and we're cool. Amazon up over 600 on my watch list. That must be a zero DTE. Yeah, that has to be a zero DTE. But Amazon, is going quite wild today. Bro, it's kinda wild. I know we're about to get this weather and everything. I know some of y'all already have the weather, but I'm looking outside right now and it's gloomy. It's like normally I got the sun shining on me right now, getting some good rays. But no, I feel it's a little gloomy right now. But that's okay. I don't know what I'm about to eat, but I'm about to eat after this. But that's just wild though. You said now I'm gonna need Nvidia to go back up to 189 so my feelings will no longer be hurt. Hey, I'm gonna take today personally just as one of those like I guess today and yesterday is like, every now and then I think it's important to get humbled. It's like if you don't get humbled, if you don't take L's, it's like how do you remain humble? How do you check your ego and whatnot? So I think it's important to have checks on your ego. I think it's important to remind you that you're human and that no one's perfect. So it's just one of those things. It's one of those things. It's like I'm not going to say you can't win them all because I believe you can do anything you put your mind to. But I'm gonna say most don't win them all. I will say that. Check out Meta on the weekly, the downtrend line from what downtrend line from all time highs to today is at that level from all time. Here, let's see. Oh, okay. Let me adjust this other one I had. Yeah, that seems about right. Yeah, it's trying to work its way there. I can't get it to exactly go and play, but yeah, it's working its way there. That'll be even nicer if it decides to reject there. Hey, snowstorm for real. Hey, family. I don't know what. Well, most of y'all don't see. I don't see during the week anyway. But I don't know what's this upcoming week's gonna be like. I don't know if I'll have like after the weekend. I don't know if I'll have internet or power. So if I don't see you, if y'all don't see me, know that I'm okay. God's got my back. And I'm a trooper, okay? So hey, we gonna be all right over here. It's like I honestly I know how to think my way out of situations. So it's like All right, M said, "Hey Matthew, what was the explainer video you posted years ago? I'm telling someone to do what? What explainer video? Yeah, I need to know what you're talking about. Like what explainer? What is being explained? Because I would say like a lot of my videos that like do well, they're explaining something. So I don't know. Give me a little more detail. Yes, amen. Sean, 85 here today. Fly to Panama, get out of that ice, no temps. And that's honestly that's one way to do it. I could hit the Ted Cruz and leave the country. Bro, the governor of Texas saw this weather. He's like, yo, we gotta get out of Texas. Every time the weather gets bad, he flies somewhere. Which honestly, it's smart. It just doesn't look good being the governor. He's like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna weather this with the people that that I'm governing. You said it was not about stocks. Okay, I don't know what the explainer video you're talking about is. It's like I have a lot of videos. I got a lot of like random stuff. Like if you can tell me what it's about, I can tell you, but it's like I have no idea. How to open something or do something simple. You say people oh, that's on my other channel. Here, I can pull it up real quick. So I have a channel where I do a bunch of like Amazon reviews, and I have this channel where it's like it's just my name and then it's reviews. It's like legit just all the products I get sent to me. But this is it. Oh, hold up. Right here. This is yeah, I just left this on the channel, but it's like how to open and prepare a can of crescent rolls. And then you got like different reviews I've done. Yeah, a lot of this is like Amazon products and stuff, but that is it. I upload to this very frequently. You said or hit up Europe earlier than planned. Yeah, that'd be one way to do it. Oh, let me check on where my wife is. I'm about to get off here pretty soon, but I'm kind of like chilling now. Let me see. Let me check where my wife is. Okay. You said great idea. Reviews are where it's hey, I'll say like so yeah, I'm gonna say those pay. Oh, we're selling off now. Look at that. We didn't confirm up at resistance. And now it looks like we're trying to like sell back to support. Or potentially, but that's that. All right, family. So I think that's gonna do it for the day. All right, hold on. Let's see how we okay, so we have 55 votes. We got 49% green, 22% break even, and 29% red. Bro, I kind of want some pizza right now. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Yeah, y'all, if you're in the cold zone, the freeze zone, y'all make sure y'all are safe. For those of y'all in Dallas, yo, hey, we out here riding together, and yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all coming through. Hope all y'all's praise go y'all's way. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, D Scurd. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Imsense. Peace out, Sean. Peace. Yeah. I have a blessed day. Let's see. Peace out, blousing. Peace out, my issue. Yeah. Once again, y'all stay safe. If y'all don't hear from me, know I'm all right. Know I'm all right. And hey, I have a blessing. Oh, you say you can never go wrong with, bro. They're building another copper over here. But yeah, I have a blessed weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off. I want to change your life. Peace out, family.